Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the lock. Check batteries and have the backup key ready because power or key access prevents lockout. Put the unit into setup or program mode now so you can change its state. Most models use a short press sequence on the interior panel. Once in setup, verify the latch retracts manually to avoid mechanical binding. Then proceed to set or verify your primary lock method, keypad, app, or fingerprint, so the locking process starts from a known good state. You now program the lock. Enter and confirm a 4 to 8 digit code, because a strong numeric code prevents easy guessing. Next, pair your phone app using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Pairing allows remote lock commands and logs, and updating firmware fixes known issues. Calibrate the auto lock feature by setting a 5 to 30 second delay. This prevents slamming while ensuring the bolt fully extends. Make sure to test each access method multiple times so you know the lock behaves consistently before finishing. You finish by completing 5 consistent lock/unlock cycles to confirm reliable behavior. This flushes settings and reveals intermittent problems. Enable guest codes and activity logs so you can audit access, and turn on low battery alerts to avoid unexpected failures. If the bolt binds or the keypad doesn't respond, first swap in fresh batteries and realign the strike plate. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and reprogram. Only use reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.